Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you have not got a chance already, please make sure you hit that little subscribe button for more videos. But I wanted to come talk to you guys about my skin because I know a lot of you guys have been wondering what's going on, and I just wanted to make this video to give a final update with my Accutane journey. And yes, it's been a long journey. My entire acne journey has been crazy. If you have not got a chance to check that out, I have an entire playlist of every single acne medication that I have ever been on. So I'm also going to do a Q&A, so if you guys don't mind just leaving me any questions that you have listed down below, so that way I can make that as a next video. So my Accutane journey has been pretty good for the 6 months that I've been on it. I didn't do a final update, guys, mainly because I really didn't have anything to update you guys on. My last month excuse me, my last months were, well, I should say my last month was 6 months, and I didn't really notice anything. It wasn't too much of a difference. My skin was the same, my lips were the same. The last update I had when I first started the 60 milligrams, I had a few joint pains and feet pain, which was very strange. I think the only thing that I experienced the most that was very interesting was everything drying out, even my feminine areas, and I was like, what's going on? I know it was an Accutane, so that's the only thing I can say that was definitely the strangest thing that I experienced while on Accutane. Please let me know, comment down below if you experienced the same thing. But all in all, I just want to say that it's definitely a very good decision if you're thinking about going on Accutane. I'm not trying to promote anything. I can definitely say that going on Accutane was definitely the best decision that I've ever made. As you can see, my skin is very clear. I have no active breakouts right now, and it's been like that since, I want to say, it's been like that since August. My face has been clear since August. As soon as I started Accutane, for the first month, I had a little purge. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I do have a video on my first month. And I had a tiny purge, nothing too crazy. And literally after that, my skin pretty much for the most part stayed clear. Now, the reason why I was breaking out the most, I've always had acne my entire life, but one of the reasons why I broke out the most is because I developed dermatitis. If you don't know what dermatitis is, it's basically a skin infection underneath, literally underneath your skin, in the epidermis. That's a lot of bacteria, and it almost feels like something's scratching your skin, or crawling under your skin. It's pretty gross, but I developed that, and a lot of it had to do with a lot of products that I was using, as well as the birth control that I was on. I also made a video about that as well. I'll put that down in the description box below. But I was on the Nexplanon. If you're unsure about what the Nexplanon is, it's basically a tiny incision in your arm. It's an implant, and it lasts for 3 years. I only last for 2 years, and I got it removed because it was just causing a lot of things, and I was just like, I can't do it anymore. So when I had acne, I felt very depressed. I wasn't really 100% happy because anyone that has acne, no matter how you look at it, it makes you insecure in some ways and uncomfortable in a lot of ways. And going on Accutane definitely helped me with my confidence. Not that I was always oh, I want to die, but I was emotional about my acne because it's something that bothered me the most, because it was more frustrating and irritating, and it hurted. It was annoying, and I had so many dark spots on my face. I'm actually going to make a video, guys, about how to get rid of hyperpigmentation / dark spots. So that will be my next video. I will be posting that probably late next week. This video is going to go up on probably Monday or Tuesday. Probably on, I don't know, it's going up next week. But yeah, so yeah, guys, I mean, I really don't have much to say. As you can see, my skin has cleared. I'm definitely a testimony about how I've been on literally every single medication. I've been on Doxycycline, Minocycline, Spirolactone, Bactrim. I've been on the retinoids. I've been on, I can't even think. It's one that starts with an S, I mean an F, and then there's another one. I've been on Tazorac. I've been on, I've been on like 50 medications, and I'm not even exaggerating. I literally, I'm one of those people that I could say I literally tested every single medication. And I don't recommend doing that, especially because when you are taking so many different antibiotics, sometimes your body eventually doesn't fight it off, and that's how you do determine dermatitis. That's how you develop dermatitis as well, because you're getting rid of all the good bacteria that you actually need for your body. So I don't even know what to say, but I'm hoping that my acne doesn't come back. I'm actually praying that it doesn't come back. Now, I've never been an unhealthy eater. I know you guys are probably gonna have questions about like what I eat. I don't eat red meat. I barely eat chicken. Chicken is about the only meat that I do eat. I'm kind of basically a pescatarian for the most part. I eat fish and vegetables, and I've always been like that because I'm a very picky eater. I haven't always been a picky eater, but as I get older, I'm just picky, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so this is my skin so far, guys. This is the side profile. I'm still working on getting rid of a lot of dark spots, but I literally came a long way. If you were with me since the beginning, you know my like dark spots was very bad, and I still can't believe that my skin is this clear. And I get so many compliments on my skin, and for me, it's unbelievable. And sometimes I don't even know how to respond, and sometimes I'm like, if you only knew the half of it. And it's just weird. I feel like I'm living in someone else's body because I'm not used to having clear skin. The last time I had clearer skin was when I was in like high school and college, when I only broke out every now and then. But like my makeup goes on so much easier, and I feel like when you have pretty skin, like when your skin is clear, it allows like your foundation to look so much better. Like, it's crazy. So I rarely wear makeup. I wear makeup probably maybe 3 times a week, which is a lot still, but for the most part on the weekends I don't really wear makeup. Sometimes at work I don't wear makeup. I don't know. I just feel like I have a choice, and I still had a choice back then, but sometimes like I either didn't want to wear makeup because my face was so bad that I felt like it just made my bumps look 3D. And then, or I was just like not feeling it and tired of looking at myself, so to make myself feel better about myself, I would smack makeup on it. So guys, I just want to say that if you are thinking about going on Accutane, definitely give it a try. And I'm not paid or sponsored or anything like that. I can genuinely say if you are suffering from acne and you're tired of feeling depressed, trust me, if I've been there, I know how it feels. It's not a good feeling at all. Definitely just try it. If you don't have the money to do it, just save, because it can be expensive. I had insurance, so I was fortunate enough to take advantage of that. And I know that there's a lot of healthcare laws and things of that sort that's going into effect, possibly. So if you're thinking about going to Accutane, I highly recommend that you do it now. And yeah, so make sure you guys leave comments down below. Like I said, I'm going to do a Q&A. I'm also going to be doing more information about how I got rid of my dark spots, or how I am continuing to get rid of my dark spots. My skincare regimen is the same, so again, I want to leave that down below in the description box. But guys, thank you so much for just staying with me and showing support and just being encouraging. I truly appreciate it, and I could not do this without you guys. And it takes a lot of courage and a lot of guts for someone to come on here to show you their process, to show you their skin without feeling judged. But it came to a point where I just didn't care, and I knew I wasn't the only person out there suffering from acne. So yes, but anyway guys, make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. And again, don't forget about the Q&A to leave as many comments down below. Make sure you subscribe for more weekly videos, guys. And again, thanks for the support. I love you all, and deuces.